Sho bafethu uZakes la. No namhlanje bafethu ngifuna sikhulume ngendaba kaSamkelo Zwane. Bafethu uyabo. Ngendaba yakhe ukuthi there's a possibility ukuthi kungenzeka ahambe kwiKaizer Chiefs, yabo. Noma alonwe, yabo. Alonwe kwenye amanye amaqembu. Yabo. So umbuzo wami kulento ukuthi you guys, do you think ukuthi he was given like enough minutes or like enough game time, yabo, to prove himself, yabo, ukuthi azikhombise, yabo, because siyamazi uZwane from iTTC, yabo, bekuyiplayer belintswembu futhi enama assist, yabo, egoqile lapha endishini, yabo, edlala uZwane, yabo, and sambona lapha kwi Black Label All Stars, yabo, wadlala kahle kakhulu Zwane, yabo. So umbuzo wami ngakho ngithi mina, do you guys think ukuthi was given enough game time ukuthi aziprove, yabo? Into engenza ngibuza le nto ukuthi akusiyena yedwa umdlali obenamaphutha kwiKaizer Chiefs, baningi, but then bona even bewenza amaphutha they were given enough time ukuthi baziprove, yabo. Ama player nje anjengoMart, yabo, uYusuf Mart kwaba off egamini, yabo. Ngiyazi njengamanje uyaperforma kahle kakhulu futhi yabo, nje for the last 5 games season sizovala bese performa kahle uYusuf Mart, yabo. But masumbheka kulama games akhe saqala isizini siza, yabo, uke wenza amaphutha amaningi, yabo, but then still bebemnikeza igame time ukuthi aziprove, yabo. Even njengamanje usiprovile, I know ukuthi bazomsayinisa icontract nokuthi abakamsayinisi ukuthi extend, yabo, because uziprovile. Ama players anjengo Cross, uCross impethu uthe efika kwiKaizer wanamaphutha, yabo, waba namaphutha amaningi uCross efika kwiKaizer Chiefs, waba namaphutha amaningi, but still uCross ubeloku efakiwe, yabo. Simangale njalo masibona ischeme how uCross ukhona ngisithola lapho ngegame edlule, yabo, uzidlisile wenza iphutha, but masithi yabheka ischeme ngegame elandelayo uCross futhi ukhona, yabo. So umbuzo wami ukuthi, do you think guys ukuthi uSamkelo Zwane was given like a chance efana namanye ama players ukuthi baziprove, yabo? Because baningi abadlali kwiKaizer bafethu abenza amaphutha, but they were given enough time ukuthi baziprove, yabo. Abadlali abanjengo Chivaviro guys bengakorestiyalo, but still bemfake, bedlala uChivaviro yezene inkinga zakhe njalo, but bebemfaka uChivaviro, yabo, ahlulekele yena, yabo. So my question bafethu ngalomuntu ukuthi, do you think guys ukuthi fanele simdedele, yabo, or the best move esingayenza ukuthi simlone, yabo, simlone just ukuthi athole igame time abuye kwiform yakhe, yabo, because we know him at his best mfethu ukuthi untswempu lo mdlali, yabo, untswempu. I know abanye abantu abaningi bebenokuthi ufuna ukustylisha kakhulu, ufuna ukukhipha amaphasa anzima, kanti ngabe udlala ibhola elisimple, yabo. But then kwesinye isikhathi bafethu umuntu une nature yakhe yokudlala ibhola, enye into it comes natural, yabo, it comes natural, yabo. Ama player njengo Tito Maswanganye, uyasazi style sa Tito Maswanganye sokudlala yini, yabo. Mayiphethe nje ibhola ukuthi akenze something incredible, ukuthi akaligibele ukuthi akenzeni, it's because nature ekuyena bafethu yebhola, yabo. Naye lo muntu ngicabanga usona leyo inkinga yokustylisha, but it will better if leyo nto yakhe yokustylisha engayiperfect okungcono. Mina umbono wami uthi if engayiperfecta leyo nto leyo, yabo, ayiperfect azi ukuthi yenza perfect, because uthi uyayenza aluze amabhola, yabo. Inkinga yakhe nje leyo lo mhla ukuthi ufuna ukukhipha amaphasa anzima, even into fanele yenze simple, yabo. But other than that, mina bafethu, I still think ukuthi fanele anikezwe ithuba, yabo. If it's not that matter, and then so at least bamlone, yabo, at least bamlone, because i-development yethu le bafethu, yabo, i-development yethu angisho ukuthi ngoba i-development yethu akumele ahambe, cha ngisho njalo, but then I still believe kuye mina bafethu, because we've seen his potential, yabo. Not ukuthi umdlali esingamazi, we've seen his potential, une-potential umjidi, yabo. I still think that bamnikeze ithuba, since sekukhona nabantu abanjengabo oLuntunjana ocele, yabo, abantu abazokwazi ukuthi abukele kubo bamcathulise. Ngiyazi ukuthi usekhulile, angesathi he's a young player right now, because sebekhulile labantu yibona nabomdu nobani they are no wrong the young players njengamanje sebekhulile bane experience njengamanje yabo. But I still think mina ukuthi bafethu he wasn't given enough time uZwane, he wasn't given enough time yabo. But then angazi bafethu, angazi ukuthi nicabangani, ake ningitshele ukuthi nicabangani yabo, ake ningitshele ukuthi nicabangani yabo. So buyisikhulume ngalaba abanye uGeorge Mahlowu, uTeo Hopotana, oZitha Kwinika kungenzeka nabo kuthiwa bayahamba yabo. There's not much I can say about bona njengamanje, but nje bengifuna ukufocusa kuyi nangu bafethu uSamkelo uZwane, because ngiyabona indaba yakhe abayinakile and uzogcina ehamba ngempela kwiKaizer naye ngabe ngavuka emaqandeni yabo, ayimisele yabo, naye uzogcina ehamba ngempela. But then I still think the best move angayenza at least bengamlona iKaizer yabo, ngona ukuthi imlona not ukuthi imdayise imchithe, because this is a good player bafethu. We've seen him kwi-TDC yabo, we've seen him laphana futhi kwi-Black Label kuma All Stars, wadlala kahle umjida, wadlala kahle. I think kwaba ne-assist laphana yabo, kwaba ne-assist. So mina ngiyabelivela kuyena bafethu, so angazi-ke kini yabo, ileyo nto nje bengifuna ukuyibuza ngendaba yakhe.